Check, testing. Check 1 2. We'll get started here in just a few minutes, YouTube. Kick back, relax, make yourself comfortable. Grab a cup of coffee and a notebook. It's almost time for pre-market prep. Alright, it's just about showtime. Let's do it. YouTube, what is good? This is your host Z Money, and welcome back to Easy Money Trading. As always, don't forget to smash that like button down below, subscribe to our channel for future videos, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of our new content. Welcome back, everybody, to Easy Money Pre-Market Prep, where we go over our thoughts on the tickers on the left, the indices, right, SPY, Q, Dow, and we're also going to go over some trade ideas from the Discord group. So let's hop right in, shall we? Real quick disclaimer before we get started. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. So please invest responsibly, as trading involves significant risk, and Easy Money Trading does not guarantee profits or protection from loss. Alright, everybody, so hope you're having a nice morning on this Thursday morning. Let's see what's going on with the market, right? So the economic data just came out, which is a big catalyst for the market, right? So we've been heading sideways, consolidating, as we've been saying over the last couple of days, and you see in the title of the stream, Chop City, right? We're still stuck in this range, despite the news. So the market did some selling off overnight in anticipation of this news, and now did a little bounce, right? So let's just go ahead and look at SPY in our 30-minute, and we're going to go ahead and see that after selling off, we've now started to make an uptrend. So the bulls are still in control, right? We are now looking for a break of this high right here at 42.12, right? To then head to your all-time high, which would be 423, right? So that's the bullish scenario. That's what we've seen based on the price action so far this week, and that's what we're looking to see, that continuation. Now, if we decide to come back down and break to the downside, and we break this 418 level, correct, right? This level that we've held 1, 2, 3 times now. You break that, you're headed down probably to this 416 area. I think that's about as far as you would go. Maybe 414 if things get really ugly and people start to liquidate, right? So that's your bullish and bearish scenarios. More leaning towards the bullish side. Tech, however, right? QQQ not as hot as SPY. So when we get QQQ in here, you're going to see a little bit of a different story. So you sold off overnight, and the bounce that you have right now is nowhere near as significant as SPY. So you're still in the red decently. You're just kind of, again, kind of waiting to see what Tech wants to do now. So Tech is a little bit more question mark. You kind of want to see whether you hold this 13,628. If you don't, you're going to head down to this 13,571 area. If you got this 13,683 above you, and then 13,738, which would be yesterday's high over there. And over here. So Tuesday and Wednesday's high. Double. How about Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin also doing a nice bounce, right? It's continuing to consolidate within the range that we've spoken about earlier in our pre-market prep streams. So, if Bitcoin continues to drop, right, you should find support right around here at this 33,690 and this 32,75. So keep an eye out for that, and yeah, just be careful with those crypto investments, right? Nothing's going to the moon anytime soon, so keep an eye out. That being said, let's get an overall idea of what's going on with some of our tickers, right? So just going to sort ahead right here by relative volume, see what's going on from yesterday. ZS and PDD were both really active yesterday. As you can see, they're both still kind of, in the red from yesterday, I would assume, along with the rest of the tech. So let's just go through our ETFs over here and see what the sectors are doing, right? So we got RK, tech, green, semis, red, cybersecurity, kind of flat, software, kind of flat, social media, this one looks interesting, so Facebook could be an interesting play. We got that in our watch list, which we're about to go over for you guys. Just trying to see if anything catches my eye real quick. Let's see, Amazon, Google, Facebook, yes, that's on the list. Nvidia's on the list. Tesla's on the list. Alright, let's just go ahead and go through. Right, so this is for our premium members, right? So this is Easy Money Trading, our Discord group. If you guys want to get all of these, technical analysis, alerts, all of the best tools to execute the best trades on the market, definitely come check us out. The link's down below in the description and on the channel. So here is something that we put out for our members every single day. It's called the Z Money Watch List. Just contains some general information and some plays that we think are good given the current market environment, right? So we're just going to go over these plays real quick. Nvidia, Snow, Redfin, Facebook, and Tesla. And yeah, let's hop in, shall we? Nvidia. Okay, wonderful. Has been on a tear since the stock split announcement, and also just reported earnings, right? So had a good report. We're just looking to play the momentum in either direction, right? So we're looking for a scalp below yesterday or above yesterday's high, and the high set in pre-market from the actual report, right? So if I go in on a little bit more of a time frame, you'll see that we hit 635 in pre-market yesterday. That's the number I want to see break to go long on Nvidia, to then target the all-time high at 648. If you go down and break yesterday's low right around here, right, the 623 area, then you're going to go ahead and try and test these candles from the initial reactions of the earnings. So you have 650 below 625, I would call it 624. I'm looking to play puts into 615 and 610. Otherwise, which I'm more leaning on the bullish side, if you break 635, then you got room up to 648. That's Nvidia for you. Snow, not so bullish. Now Snow, right, this company, since it's gone public, has had a very interesting story. You started off over here, you did a huge run up to 49 in November of last year, and then ever since then you've just been in a very, very, very ugly downtrend. And now all of a sudden you finally got to bounce into a key area of balance that is acting as resistance, right? So now you come and report earnings which didn't quite meet Wall Street's targets. That's never good, especially in an environment where Wall Street's expecting everybody to beat their expectations, not miss them. So Snow, not so hot. All right, here you go. You get a huge drop down to 215. Now you're bouncing, right? We teach everybody here at Easy Money Trading to short the bounce. Why? Because when stuff bounces, it then drops more, right? That's how stocks go down. They don't all just go up in a straight line. No, they need to drop, especially when something's in a downtrend, right? So if you're in a downtrend, you drop, and then you rise, and then you drop again. But you go lower this time, and then you rise some more, and then you come down some more, right? That's the only way that stocks can possibly go down. But we want to make money off of that instead of just only on the upside. So this is a put play, right? So here's Snow. Here is your resistance zone, right? In this 227, 236 area. Now you've sold off. Here's the bounce. Anything above this 227 area up into this 235 is good areas to start adding shorts on the way up, right? To anticipate what? A further drop into test this price level right here, right? This 215 that you touched in after hours. A more conservative price target could be somewhere around here, like 220, right? So all you're looking to do is short it probably under 227. I would say is your best trade to confirm it, right? So wait till you break the 227.32, then play it down to 220. All right, $7 move. That's what we're looking for in Snowflake. Okay, now you got Redfin. This is a bullish play. Okay, so if you look at Redfin on the daily, what you're gonna see is a nice bottom here at this $46, $47 area, which lines up with this previous high right about there. So 48.50, call it. Now it's a nice rounded bottom, right, which is forming a cup, right? So in order to finish a cup and handle, right, you've already made one from here to here. You'd expect a little pullback, and then the next move higher, right? To first fill this candle, then to so this is more of a swing trade to continue, make a cup and handle, and then head higher. So it's also at a really good price in these 50s, right? Looking at some time on these, you know, as a long swing contract, we think that this can produce good returns. So Redfin is definitely looking at as a nice setup this morning if you can grab it on a pullback. And then Facebook, this one's pretty simple. You know, we're just looking for a scalp above all-time high, right? So here's your, if you can break it, then you're just heading into blue sky territory. So we'll just look for call option scalps on those, and we recommend that you take profits quickly on those because, again, you're going into blue sky territory and you don't know where resistance will lie, if there is going to be resistance, right? So there's going to be resistance somewhere up here, but you don't know where it is. So there's no way to accurately gauge that. You can use Fibonacci's and this, but again, those are predictions. There's no established price target to give you as a set resistance zone. So we recommend when you have profits on these kinds of trades, an all-time high scalp, you take them and you take them quickly. So keep that in mind when trying to play this, but we do like it over 332 to head higher, possibly 340. That's Facebook for you. And then finally, Tesla. Now, Tesla is a very emotional stock. Everybody's got feelings about Tesla, right? Everyone sees this bottom here and goes, yes, look, oh my God, we bought it here, we bought it here, and it went up. We bought it here, and it went up. We bought it here, and it went up. We bought it here, and it's going up. Hell yeah, awesome. It looks like it's going to go where? All the way back up here, right? All the way back up to 900. Woo, Tesla. Okay, well, what does this, guys, since here look like? Short, the bounce, short, the bounce, short, the bounce, short, the bounce. Okay, Tesla is bearish. Do not get confused. Do not sit in here trying to, you know, hop in long swings going Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Oh my God, 700, 750. That's going to get you killed. Don't do it. Here's what we're telling you to do. Resistance coming in at 625, 626. If you break this, the highest you're going to go is this 665. Okay? That's about as far as Tesla goes before it runs into more resistance, especially at this consolidation zone, at which this would be your perfect put entry. If you are a short trader, you love this, right? You want to see this. 665. So, keep that eye out. When Tesla starts to reject and form some red candles and close below some moving averages, you better bet it's going to come back down here. And then, maybe over there, which gets really ugly. So, we are not bullish on Tesla in any way, shape, or form here at Easy Money Trading. And, yeah, those are the trades we got for you guys today. A nice mix of bullish and bearish because as far as we can tell, right, the market has chosen a direction from this news to the upside, it appears on SPY, but NASDAQ not so much. So, you know, in a weird market like this where there's, you know, different sectors going different ways that make the market balanced and choppy, right? So welcome to Chop City. We need to, what? Adjust our strategies and find the stocks that are moving and figure out which stocks are in which types of trends, right? So that's where we get these different trade ideas from. Again, this is all available in the Discord group. So if you are interested, please go to our website at www.easymoneytrade.com. Check us out, right? Come join the group, be a part of the squad, and we go over all this stuff, including even more trade ideas from our members, and it's great. You know, the teamwork and everything. We really come up with some good results together as a team. So it's a really cool squad. That's what I got for you guys on pre-market prep this morning in terms of trade ideas and looking at the futures. So I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and open up chat to any questions. If you guys want me to pull up any stocks real quick, I can give you a quick little idea of what I think. And yeah, thanks for coming to pre-market prep, guys. Let me see if anybody's got any questions for me. Any questions from chat? Any thoughts? Just use what the market gives you, right? Here's what you're getting right now. You're getting a positive reaction to the economic data. So you just want to follow this momentum, right? If the market has been bullish as soon as you broke this 418 and been consolidating sideways, that's bullish, not bearish. So we've been seeing bullish price action, now it's being confirmed. Just look for a break of 421 and you guys are ready to rock and roll. So on that note, again, please don't forget to smash that like button down below. Subscribe to our channel for the future videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next pre-market prep